Welcome to the third class of Level 1 Shareit Intraday Trading Training. Today we learned how to use the Kite app dashboard, add stocks to a watch list, and analyze market trends and depth. We covered key stock details like open, close, high, and low prices, and how to strategize buy-sell trades based on your funds and margin. We discussed different order types like market orders and limit orders and how to place an exit order. Lastly, we talked about calculating daily profits and the discipline needed to double your investment over time. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Shareit channel for more intraday trading videos. Thank you and happy trading.